If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification and give us the thumbs up. If you heard of EPIC or Edge Programmable Industrial Controller from Opto22 and you are unsure where to start, well, the good news is you are in the right place. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to www.opto22 and you will be presented with their website, and then the first thing you will see is Groove EPIC. So that's the one we're interested in. Now if you click on that image, it will take you to a little bit more information about the EPIC, just with few statements and some really nice pictures in here. You will have an idea on what the controller is capable of. Like in here it shows you different applications that the controller supports and so forth, and also from hardware standpoint how the system can be configured. And then a step further into that same direction, we're getting familiar with the hardware. If you click on this configure the EPIC system from here, then you'll be presented with this nice hardware configurator that will give you a good idea on how to put your system together, about all the available controllers and racks and CPUs and power supplies, the type of the I/O modules that you can find here, and they are grouped by the function. So analog inputs, output, and so forth, and then you can just pick what you want and you can build your system, and it give you lots of good information about that specific module and so forth. The other thing that you want to look at once you get yourself familiar with the hardware aspect of the system, you would need the programming software for the controller. Now, with that has been said, you've got a couple options in there. So if you are familiar with CodeSys and that's your preferable platform for programming the controller, then by any means you can use that, and in such a case you don't need to download the Opto22 software to program the controller. However, if you're not familiar with CodeSys, or just curious about the logic engine that the Opto has and supports, then you would need to go to product and then logic, and then you will see here automation software. So what you need is you need to download this project basic automation software. So if you click in there, and the good news, it's free, so you would need to essentially download this and then you can use it to program the controller the side of the EPIC. And then on top of that, you also need, for visualization, you can use what they call the Groove View as one of the options. And the good news also about that is it's also free. So when you purchase the EPIC controller, this guy here, the software is already embedded in there. But to learn the software and use it and so forth without any hardware, you can go to the web server here, and then what you need to do is you need to grab this one that is Windows based, so you can essentially install it on your computer and then start using it. Now this one here, it's not free. However, they do have the trial version, so in this link here, that you can download once you fill in your information here. And the good thing about this trial version, it's fully functional, it has all the features enabled and everything, The only catch is just run for 2 hours at a time. So for testing purposes and so forth, you know, that's all you need. That's really good without buying the hardware as just yet. So you can just by using the controller software, which also has a simulator, and then you can link it to this basically web Groove monitor or Groove server, and then you will be able to do your full test for your entire application without buying the hardware yet. So I hope you this was useful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. If you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, and give us the thumbs up. And again, thank you for watching.